Welcome to Chinese in Minutes, where learning Mandarin is simple, fun, and fast.
Hey friends! Today we're diving into 3 fascinating Chinese characters that all come from the idea of ash and fire. Hui, hui, and hui. They're not only visually connected, but also carry powerful meanings about burning, destruction, and recovery.
First, let's start with hui, which means ash. At the bottom, you see the fire radical, hua. On top, there's a small enclosure, si. Together, it's the idea of something burned down, leaving only ashes inside. For example, hui se means gray, the color of ash.
Next, we have hui, which means to restore or recover. On the left, there's the heart radical, xin. On the right, hui, ash. Think of it this way. From the ashes, your heart rises again, and that's recovery. A common word is hui fu, which means to recover. Finally, hui, another way to write ash, though it's less common today. On the left, fire, huo. On the right, hui. Fire plus ash gives you hui, literally the result of burning into ashes. You might see it in the word hui jing, meaning completely burned down to ashes. So today we explored hui for ash, hui for restore, and hui for ashes. All 3 are built on the theme of fire and its aftermath. From destruction to recovery, these characters show how language carries powerful images.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Chinese in Minutes.